There is currently an update from MetaMask, which I just dropped on my channel this afternoon, and a lot of people have been asking, what is this update about? Is it the MetaMask airdrop? Is it the rumored airdrop? How are we going to accumulate rewards on this and the likes? So I decided to make a video on this, showing everyone what and what you need to do. Now, the first thing you need to do for this update is to first of all, go and update your MetaMask, whether you are using it on your iOS or on your Android device, update it. When you update it, you are going to get this button. Look at this rewards button here. You are going to get it. So once you update it, you get the button, you tap on it to open it, and then this is the page you're going to come to. Now, as a first timer, once you're logging in on this page, you are going to first of all get 500 points. Let's call it 500 MetaMask points. That is what you're going to get for registering. If I click on activity, you can see, okay, sign up bonus 500. So once you sign up, you get it. For you to sign up, I'm going to drop the registration link in the comment section of this video and also in the description box so you can copy it. And you can also use the referral code you're seeing on your screen here. Once you want to sign up, they ask for a referral code. You put it in and then you sign up. So that is basically what you need to do. Now, once you come on your screen here, this is how your interface is going to look like. The first thing you see here is your swap section. So once you go over to swap here, it simply means that you get to claim points as you are doing swap on this app, which is an easy thing. This is just to encourage you to use your MetaMask more. So you can come over to the home section and you can basically swap any coin of your choice, maybe from BNB to any other coin. So most of those transactions, on-chain activities that all these airdrops and some others require you to do, you do it inside MetaMask. As you are doing it, you're getting points. So heading back over to that reward section, that is what basically swap is all about. And this is perps here. Look at 10 points per 100. If you click on it here, so let's click on it to see the details. I am clicking, all right, you can see it say earn points on every trade, including open and closes, stop loss and take profit orders and the likes. So from here now you can set a trade and you get rewarded as you're going. I don't want to do that here, but let's exit. So these are basically the tasks you get to do to earn more points. You could also refer. You can see you get 10 points per 50 from friends. So I don't know what that 10 points per 50 means. Or are they trying to say that for every 50 people I get, for every 50 people I refer, I get 10 points? I don't know. But if I open it, I think I've referred, you can see just about 5 people. So yeah, you can use this referral code when you're trying to sign up. 11 people now. Okay, that's not good. So here also, loyalty bonus. You can see earn points from past trades. That is those activities you've been doing on MetaMask in the past. You could still earn points from it. And you could also connect wallet. Yes, I could add account here. And then maybe I have been transacting on some of my other MetaMask wallet and the likes. I could add them here. You can see there is one that I have not added. But that one is a Solana wallet. Although inside Phantom, inside MetaMask. So I'll leave that out. I can opt this out and basically that. So they basically rewards you even for wallets that you've used before. Now, what is this reward section about? What you need to know is that this reward, it is not the airdrop. It is not the rumored airdrop. MetaMask is going to have their own airdrop. Quite all right. That one is definite. They have confirmed it. But this is not it. This one is just a feature MetaMask decided to introduce. And you know, like I always used to say, any product, if they create a product and people are not using it, is a waste. MetaMask wants people to keep on using MetaMask. Although in the past, MetaMask gave headache a lot. You know how we participate in a lot of airdrops on MetaMask and you know it keeps being slow, lagging and the like. So I don't know if they should be working on fixing that more. If not, people will still be leaving the platform. But yeah, that is just basically why they introduced this. You've been trading on other platforms, you've been swapping, you've been doing all of these transactions. They now want you to bring it to MetaMask. And the only way they thought they could do it best is by rewarding you for doing it. Now, this is the season one. This season one is just lasting for 90 days. It started on is in November 20, no, October, yeah, we're in October 28th, and it's going to last for 90 days. That is January 25th of January. That is when it's going to end. Now, what they'll be rewarding you with, what they'll be rewarding, they are different. Let's go to the different levels, by the way. Let's open the levels and see. So you can see I'm now in the level section. Now I'm currently in level 1. That is the origin, the start. If you join, I don't think if you use if you not use the referral code, I don't think you'll be getting the 500 points. So if you don't get it, your level is going to start from nomad. That is 0. Yeah. Now, the other level two is Frontier. I have not entered Frontier yet. So when you accumulate 1,000 points, you go to level two, which is Frontier, and the reward is going to be linear because there is what is the rewards pool? The main prize pool is about $30 million. $30 million plus linear token. So I don't know what the $30 million is, whether it is USDT or likes, I don't know, but they are giving that with linear tokens. So if you're in Frontier, you'll be getting a linear allocation plus maybe referral bonus and the likes. Then if you're in what other level? Level three, which is Silvana, yeah. Level three is Silvana. Here you can see you need to accumulate up to 25,000 points for you to get to this level three. And not seeing the rewards here. I don't know why it is not included. I'm seeing other level 4, which is Oceania. That one is 50,000 points. That one you're going to be getting 50% off PEPs fees plus multiplier. Remember this PEPs here, this PEPs transaction, you'll be getting 50% off it anytime you're trying to, do all of those trades and the like. And you can basically see all the other levels here. So that is basically all there is to it. Nothing much, just you need strategy to keep people up in the MetaMask ecosystem to keep them doing things and the likes. So that is basically that about that. I'm also seeing an update from Arichain Wallet Connection, joining of their Discord channel, and some of those things. I'll be making another video after this video. I'll be making another video in regards to that. So if you're new to this channel, you know what to do already. If you found value, you know what to do. If you want to get notifications, make sure that you hit the bell icon. Yes, because subscribing alone does not do the magic. Hit that bell icon so you get notifications anytime I upload a new video. And if you want to be getting first-hand information, first-hand updates, or Web3 education, because I do educate people, teach people what Web3 is all about, aside dropping airdrop tutorials. So you can join my Telegram channel to stay in touch. Join my X also, which was formerly Twitter. I do drop most updates here. Check all of these links in the description box of this video.